Hey, what's going on, folks? If you haven't signed up already for the Freedom of Wealth Seekers community, it's absolutely free. All you have to do is text the word build to 202-918-3445. I'm actually taking a moment to answer some of your questions. Someone asked, let's see if I can see a name here. But someone asked, what's the average amount that we are spending on our rehabs per square foot? And I've been, actually, this is LaShawn. So LaShawn, I've been given the same answer for over a decade now. You asked a really good question, but if you haven't seen any of my answers in the past, I'm gonna give it to you just like I have in the past. Every contractor is going to be different. I'm sitting in a 3,100 square foot property right now, a 3-story property in East Baltimore. And this rehab costs us about $65 per square foot. So if you do the math, $65 per square foot, you got 3,100 square feet. You're a little over $200,000 for full rehab. Now, now some of you may be saying, well, how can you make money at $65 per square foot? It's all about, the end goal. Okay, and the end goal is a buy, fix, and flip, buy, fix, and rent. Also, what are you putting into the property, and what the comps are. So, I hope that answers your question. Every contract is different, though, LaShawn. You may find someone less than $65 per square foot, or you may find somebody, more that costs more. It's all gonna vary, okay? Especially when you're dealing with, a low-end rehab, mid-level rehab, high-end rehab. This is actually, for us, a high-end rehab. We did waterfall, countertops, full bathrooms on every level, rooftop deck, all the bells and whistles. So keep that in mind, but really good question. Folks, make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment. I would love to hear your numbers. Another thing, every market's different. So Washington, D.C., definitely going to be more per square foot for a 3,100 square foot house. Okay, Los Angeles, California, definitely going to be, depending on the neighborhood, definitely going to be a lot more. If we go down south or in the Midwest, the cost for construction is going to be, most likely cheaper than the East Coast. So market plays a role as well. But LaShawn, again, thank you for being a part of the Freedom of Wealth Seekers community and sending in your question. Talk to you soon. Peace.